Hello, America, and welcome to another episode of What You Need to Know to Qualify for a VA Home Loan. In this episode, we'll discuss what is the difference between eligibility and pre-qualification. Here are the two top questions on this topic. Does everyone eligible for a VA home loan ultimately secure one? And do prospective borrowers still have to satisfy credit and underwriting standards set by both the VA and the lender? Here are the answers to these questions and additional information from my lovely wife, Kila.
Thank you, Sigmund. Getting pre-qualified for a VA home loan is the basic first step that borrowers can complete online or over the phone. This step gives you a sense of your purchasing power and lays the foundation for the credit and underwriting process.
Are there more steps to this process?
There definitely are more steps, and I will elaborate more in videos to come. Veterans with significant credit scores will move toward a loan pre-approval, which is a more formal stage desired by home sellers and real estate agents.
Man, that's good information. Thank you, Kila. You are currently serving or have served our great country. Our team is honored to serve you. Hold your hand to guide you and accompany you through your home ownership journey.
Valentine Dream Homes Group, delivering the keys to your heart. You and your family deserve it.
Contact us today. We are here to serve.